Hi, I'm Alexis deBoschnek, and I'm a cook and recipe developer based in Los Angeles. For the last few years, people have been asking me if I would ever start my own YouTube channel, and I always said no. I didn't really see a reason for it, I didn't really want to, and I didn't really have the time. But I never thought there was going to be a global pandemic and we were going to be quarantined for an undetermined amount of time. I'm staying with my boyfriend right now, who happens to be a cinematographer. Shout out to Ryan, he's shooting this. And I thought we could combine our skills together. He's gonna shoot and edit it, I'm gonna cook. I thought we could create some videos that showed you how to cook with what you have in your pantry, offer some really easy quarantine recipes. I'm gonna start off with stuff like crepes, or as I called them growing up, Dutch pancakes, and easy pantry pasta with wilted greens, and milk buns, which sound difficult, but they're really pretty easy. If there's anything you wanna see, let me know in the comments. You can also DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is somewhere on the screen. And you can also like this page and subscribe. We're gonna be kind of evolving with this channel together. Let me know what you wanna see and I will do my best to deliver.